To improve for the rest of the day. The rain and snow will tend to ease, and the further west you are, the higher the chance that you'll see bright skies and some sunshine. Now here's the reason for the wet weather. We've had this band of cloud moving in off the Atlantic. It's been falling as rain across southern and western parts of the UK. That's because here we've got some fairly mild air shown by the yellow colours here, but further north and east still some cold air in place. That's why the rain has changed to snow. But not too bad for the rest of the afternoon. From Scotland into northern parts of England, the rain and hill snow will continue to ease down, but still a lot of cloud behind that rain, so a cold and grey afternoon, particularly when you factor in the breeze, and quite cloudy and grey for much of the afternoon too for the Midlands, East Anglia and the South East. 7 the top temperature in London. Head westwards though, it's a better story for South West England and Wales. Fairly decent here. There'll be bright skies and some decent spells of sunshine, the odd sharp shower, but many places staying dry. And notice the temperatures, double figures, 12 for Plymouth and 10 Celsius the top temperature in Cardiff. And across the Irish Sea for Northern Ireland too, a decent end to the day, bright skies and highs in Belfast of 10 degrees. Now for the football this afternoon in the FA Cup, a cold and damp afternoon for the Chelsea match. Further north though for Birmingham towards Manchester, dry but a lot of cloud in the sky, and of course the coverage available on Radio 5 Live. Now overnight tonight, the last of the rain will ease out into the North Sea, but for most of us overnight it's a fairly quiet story. A lot of cloud, there'll be some mist and fog around too. If the cloud does break for any length of time, you could see the odd icy patch, particularly towards the north overnight, but for most of us 2 to 6 degrees will be the overnight low. So not a nice start to Sunday. Grey skies, there'll be some mist and fog around as well, and it stays grey and chilly for much of the day for eastern parts of England and Scotland. A few spots of light rain or drizzle there. Further west though, hopefully a little bit of sunshine making its way through, particularly towards the north of high ground, but still chilly in the east, 5 or 6 there and 10 or 11 towards the south and west. So for the Super League Rugby tomorrow, a mild story for the Harlequins match, 10 degrees the top temperature there.